Hello, travelers. I am staying in an interior room aboard Carnival Magic for a 6-night cruise. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, right away to the left of the door, you'll see your light switch. And also here, another place where a card is placed. If you take the card out, the lights will go off in the room. To the right of the door, you will find your first closet. You will find storage above, hangers here so you can place items as you desire, and space below for your luggage. I pushed the life jackets over so I can place my luggage there. Next we have the second closet. There's additional storage above, even more hangers, and place for luggage beneath. Then we have the third closet. In the third closet, we have shelves and also a standing mirror. Now going into the bathroom, be careful, there is a step up. Right away to the left, we will find the shower. You'll find your shower gel and your shampoo. Your toilet is here. Your towels, a small mirror, shelves, big mirror here, and your countertop. Beneath you will find your wastebasket and also additional items for the bathroom. Above here you will find an outlet for you to use. Coming out of the bathroom, we will find here our thermostat, and beneath here additional switches for the room, light switches. Coming into the bedroom area, the main area, right away we find here the desk, a big desk with a big mirror in front of it. And so here we have the 230 volt and two outlets over here in this corner. You find your phone. Beneath it will be a stool and a wastebasket. The desk has several drawers. In this drawer, you will find your hair dryer. Coming over here, you will find in this drawer your safe, and behind this you will find your fridge. Up top are some cups for you to use. Those waters are for sale. And here is the bed. On each side of the bed is a lamp and also additional storage for you to use. On top of the bed right here is a light that will turn and turn off and on the lights in the room, so you don't have to get up to turn off the lights or turn it on in the room. And so I'm going to go over once again the room so you can see it in its entirety. I think it's a nice size room, enough for me for this cruise. I do think that it needs a little refreshing in certain areas that I'm seeing in the room itself, but for the most part, it is a nice size room. I don't have a problem with it. Can you do me a favor, fam? Can you like, comment, subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.